channel. So I want to talk about how we can convert time to words using a Python function. So the first thing you do is, so the first thing you do is write, so I'll have my function def, so I can define my function def, can name it time to words. So my dictionary can be something like this, where I'm storing the names, let's say the number, the digits you're going to use, where you'll be calling them from. So you find that mine is going to be in this way. So you record, remember I'm going to be putting in numbers. So from time to words, I put in 1. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I put in like 1:30. Then the code, the program I want to set will tell me that that time is 30 minutes past 1. So that's what I want to do. So since this is what you want to do, when you write in your dictionary, you make sure that the numbers come first, then the corresponding value comes second. So me, I'm trying to call, in case I have 0, can say o'clock, it's just 1 o'clock, something like that. Okay, so can write all the rest. Let's say now I have 1. In case it is 1, I can put 1 like that, like that, like that. You go on putting the numbers that you're going. Okay, so we have this. So me, I can table all my numbers here. Minutes, in case they are 0, I can say 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2, it's 2 o'clock. Since for 15 we say 1:45, I can put 1:45. Then for 30 we say 1/2. So that's what I put. Then therefore we can proceed to where we are going to do it. So I can remove this, it's not needed. Okay, so I'm already going to do it in a simple way. So therefore I can be like, if minutes are equal to 0. Okay, so I will say if the minutes is equal to 0. You remember our function is in terms of hours and in terms of minutes. Yeah, because to tell time you need the hours and the minutes. So if our minute is equal to 0, yeah, I should actually say minutes equal to 0, then I should return, since it's a function. So if my minutes are equal to 0, since it's a function, I can say return f. You know f, what f means? So f helps you to call the value, like to input a number in this string here, because this entire thing is supposed to be a string. So f helps you to input a number. So this is a number, calling name. Now this name hour, I'm calling that the hour that I would have put here, if it's a 1, I call the name 1. So something like that. So I also proceed. So let's see, what if the minutes are equal to 30? What do we print? Remember here we have to say 1/2. So what do you think we shall return? And pause the video and you see what we shall return. So this is what we get. So it should return this. So with respect to the minutes, we return, since it's 30, we expect to return 1/2. You can write it or you can call it, I think it's okay. Then after that, 1/2, 1 o'clock, let's say. So you call the value, the name of the hour. Okay. So what about if it's 15 minutes? You can try it out. So for 15 minutes, it's something like this. So return, can get the minutes. Remember, I included it here. That's why I'm keeping calling the minutes. Or someone can just say 1/4, something. Can write 1/4 there and you just call the hour. o'clock, something like that. So what about we have something greater than 30? Yeah, greater than 30, 20 minutes. How do you pause? You can pause the video and you also try it out. Okay, so we find that if it is 30 minutes, less than 30, let's say 20 minutes, then I say that it is 20 minutes. I call the one with respect to the minutes. You go to the dictionary and you call 20 minutes past what? Past this hour, something like that. This is how the dictionary works. You have a number, you put it here, then it will call it from the names, which is the dictionary. However, the interesting part is if the minutes are greater than 30. So if it's greater than 30, we have like 40. However, we don't say 40 minutes past, we say like 20 minutes. So therefore, my minutes will be, you get those minutes, you subtract the 30, such that you can say 20 minutes. If it's 41:40, then it's for you to say 20 minutes to 2, meaning given the hours increase. So my hours are going to be hours plus 1, something like that. For this case, then you can return. So you can write for me the return statement. So you find that it's going to be something. The minutes you have to subtract, because if it's 140, it's 20 minutes to 2. That's why even the hours have increased plus 1. So you come and call the minutes and you also call the corresponding hours that you have. You remember our function is in terms of hours and minutes. So after doing that, now we are done with our function. We can try to call and see if it works. Okay, so after doing everything, so now we can print. So when printing, we need to move out of the loop. It's not a loop, but out of the if statement. So you can't put it here, like print outside here. Let's say, so therefore this, let's say print time that. I'm using the print because at no point have I used print, so it's better if I put print. If I put time, it may not run. So my hour is that, and my time is 30. So I run and see if it gives me the time in watts. So I have an error, I don't know why. They are saying unindented does not match the outer indentation, so I can move it there and see. So I can run again and see. So you can see here. So they're saying it's a 1:30. So you just have to switch here for it to work for you. So just switch. This can be 2. Then run. It's a 2:30. And put here 45 minutes. It will still run for you. 45 minutes. They're saying that we have an error. Line 45:54. So you go out and check it out. So I have an error here. There is a names hour. So when I come here, line 54. Line 54. So did I mean hours here? It's supposed to be hours. Even here hours. Yeah, I think I made the same mistake throughout. These names should be the same. If it's hours, then it should also be hours here. So now we can run. So you see it's 3:15. So that's how we do convert time to ones. Next time we shall do the vice versa. So I wish you the best. Thank you for following. Please like and follow and comment. Thank you.